With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's see today's question. So your question is iodine titration can be iodometric or iodimetric depending on using iodine directly and indirectly is an oxidizing agent. In the redox titration, first iodometric titration in which standard iodine solution is used an oxidant. Iodine is directly and indirectly titrated against a reducing agent. For example, 2 copper sulfate plus 4 potassium in joule. Here cuprous iodide, okay, then 2 potassium moles of uh, and sulfur plus iodine, then B iodometric products are used for the determination of strength of reducing agents such as thiosulphates, sulfines, arsenic, addition, stanous, chloride, etc. by treating then against standard solution of iodine burette, then 2Na2SO3 gives from 2Na iodine plus Na2SO4O6. Starch is used and indicated near the endpoint while form blue color complex with I3 minus. The blue color disappears when there is no more of free I2. So when 319.0 gram of CuSO4 copper sulfate in a solution is related excess of 0.4 molar potassium iodine solution, then librated iodine required 200 ml of 1.0 molar into S2O3 for complete relation. The percentage purify of copper sulfate in this sample is. So first of all, we can see that here the number of gram copper sulfate is given like number of gram of Na2S2O3. How we can calculate? Then weight upon 159.2. How does it become? It copper sulfate SO4 like mass upon 2. This mass is 1.592. So here W upon here is equal to volume into normality in ml. Then volume is 200 ml are given. Here we can see that. Okay. Here 200 ml and 0.1. Here 1 is oxidation state like Na2. Here we can see that Na2S2O3. The oxidation state of sulfur is 2 and it gives NaI plus Na2SO4O6. Here sulfur 2.5. That means the difference between the 0.5. Okay. So here 1 and into gram. So it into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Then W, how can W calculate? So W is equal to here 0. The overall calculation is 0.2 and this division here into multiply 1.592. Okay. So the multiplication is answer 3184 gram. Okay, so percentage purify how can calculate percentage purify like 31.84 gram weight upon 319. Here we can see that the when 319 gram of copper sulfate in a solution. Okay, then 319 we can use and percentage that's why 100 is multiplied, then the calculation multiplication 9.98, that means approximately 10%. That is percentage purify of a copper sulfate in the sample is. So correct option is 10%. None other is wrong. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.